A day in the life as a DNHS Senior High School student, grade 12 edition.
So, hello. What's up, guys? We are SB11 and now we are here in Daga National High School and we are here to try new things inside our school and outside our school. But now, first, watch us in our performance in Sipar. Thank you.
So we're now going to the room.
In rooms and walls guide the thread, a flying bit.
The movie's first story told of Bulacan's heart, brave and brave.
Wow, okay.
You know it can get hard sometimes.
1, 2, 3, go!
Hi, thank you.
Ano sabi mo?
Masasabi ko lang ay, wala. Sa 18 years of my life, parang hindi pa ako nakapag,
Picture na. Picture ka to.
Ay, sige, picture. Sama ka po. Ay, po.
Doon nagkabos ng mga picture sa dati. Tapos
Nakabot manggalay pa mo.
Nanay, hi ka po sa vlog namin.
Uy.
Hi! Hello!
So, hi guys, nandito kami sa Bujao ngayon at pupunta namin si Sir ang magpapatulong kami sa aming research sa Bujao para sa aming galeriya.
We're here in Barangay Bujao, Daraga Albay.
Tapos,
Welcome.
welcome. Thank you so much. Kami po ay malakaw-lakaw muna eh. Practice tayo ng graduation. Pa-practice kami ng graduation ngayon at ayan, wait lang, hindi pa kita tinatawag. First honor with the award of Best in Basketball, Best in Math, Best in Mape, Best in English, Best in Astronaut, Best in Chemistry. The one and only
Sean Menard Canyon, jersey number 6.
Kahapon pumunta yung ibang members sa Bujao for research. Ngayon naman ipapakita namin sa inyo ang mga ganap dito sa school.
Kami na lang muna makikita niyo sa vlog for today. And we're gonna show you around also sa classroom kung saan madami kaming ginagawa. So,
Bye!
Guys, may basketball ngayon. Training.
Guys, ipapakita naman namin sa inyo ang progress sa ginagawa ng sport gallery. As you can see, gawa ito sa bamboo. At nakikita naman natin kung gaano ito kalaki. And now, pupunta naman tayo sa room. Ano ba ang ginagawa ng mga klasiko sa room?
something about it later. And guys, as you all can see naman, they're so busy there. May ginagawa kasi silang diorama for our galleria. And we're gonna show it to you.
Ay, nagpapalik po si Shanong TV. Ako po yung kasama niyo sa Budya. Oo, man na din yun. Si Kalambat. Okay ba yung Kalambat? Sublos lugan.
Hi guys! Magkaya lumabas kayo sa vlog namin. Go, Nicole! What is Kenj, maghay ka, Kenj. Guys, meron din dito ang ibang section. Of course, nag-prepare din sila for their galleria. And I can say that they are working hard. But we're working harder. It's already 5 p.m. and nagsistart na kami maglinis dito sa classroom. Kasi we're gonna go home na din already. Di man si Agi-Agi, ba't di mo talaga? So, ano masasabi mo?
God is good.
Wow! Guys, that's all for today and we're gonna see you all again. Bye!